Wilhelm fan, welcome back to our channel. I'm Debbie.
I'm Darren.
And we have got our first Valentine project.
Hey! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo.
Right, so this is the one I chose to do first.
Yeah.
Haven't got so much Valentine stuff as other bits, but I can grow it each year anyway, so it's not a problem. And we haven't been to the range yet, so...
Nope.
Right, so this is what we're going to be doing.
There we go.
So this is
acrylic.
Yeah, thank you. And it's one-sided.
Yeah.
Right.
It's got holes in it. Hang. Oh no, it's flat. It's got a base going.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's a fair point, actually. I was thinking it was a chain up one because I'd even, yeah.
No, so what are the holes in it?
Is there anything else in there?
No.
Really isn't. Right. So, yeah. We've got the base. Yeah. I won't...
That's got cover on it.
And again, yeah, it won't be cloudy because it needs to come off. It's actually quite a decent thickness, the base is.
Yeah.
So, you know, with any luck. And then we have got some rather special shaped and sparkly drills.
Yeah.
And of course, your basic starter.
Yeah.
Do I use these? No, but oh, well, I do and I don't.
Yeah.
Depends what I'm doing. But yeah. So let's get drilling. So, I has done, and it is very twinkly, very pretty. But as you would have noticed from doing the videos, I mean, I haven't even got my ears on now, guys, honestly. But as you would have noticed from the videos or the pictures, there are only 12 pictures because obviously
there's only 12 different ones.
Types. So we decided to combine. So along with this, we are going to be doing this one.
Yeah.
Again,
just coasters.
It is. I'm going to turn them into magnets, so guys, and then they can go on there. That's the idea, anyway. Right. So, let's get drilling, guys, because we've got 2, 4, 6, 8. So, let's get drilling. So we decided to do the coasters, as you know. So I'm just going to take off the bit I had protecting the stickiness, which should be finished by now. I want me to do this right. So I do these one at a time.
Yeah.
And in case you're wondering, I couldn't find my round stick things. I think they're back in some of the bits. So I've used the magnetic tape, which I decided wasn't such a bad thing because I wanted to test it, which I did with one first, I might add. Yeah. Not as strong as the circular ones, but it still works. So, you know, if you want to make this a coaster, you'd want to buy the additional corks. Bases.
Because these didn't come with corks.
No, they didn't. Most of them don't, from what I've seen. I think we got lucky.
Strange enough, the first one you did get the cork.
I know. It's really odd. But, again, they're just really twinkly and pretty. So, let's see. We have got... Oh, God, I thought this was going to be easy. Sorry. Juggling gnomes.
Yeah. No, these ones are gonks. These have got no eyes.
Yes, okay.
And noses.
It's the whole gonk.
The gonk gnome bit. Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
But yeah, they are indeed gonkles.
Yeah, and there are 8 of these as well, as we previously said.
Now these are quite sparkly, in your face, really cutesy. They aren't as sharp as they would be because of the amount of pink. That one stands out more.
So they're not bad. They don't show up bad on the camera.
Yeah, and say they don't if you're actually looking at them face on. I think it's more probably me. But I think these are really cool. I really do. Get out of it. Look at him. So cute. And so, all in all, I was really pleased with these. I thought they were a really good deal. Yeah. I would say that I would have liked to have seen more with a slightly different backing, but you know, it doesn't really matter.
Valentine's, it's going to be pink, isn't it?
I mean, that's only because it would have been nice to have a couple with, say, black bit behind and a couple with more silvery, but all in all, I think they're lovely. Yeah. So have you got a favourite, Darren? Obviously, if out of all of this, it would be this. But out of just the coasters...
from what I can see here, that one possibly, because I can see that one. I can see that. Yeah, so I can see that one easily. So.
I think I'm going to say this one, actually.
That one doesn't show up as well on the camera.
No, it shows up quite well here, though. Or... Hang on, just having a quick...
That one's got over.
It says love, actually. But
yeah.
I do
so
like
you can't see the L.
I like the cherry blossom.
You can't see the L properly, so it just looks like over.
I'd probably say that these 3 are my favourite.
Yeah.
To be fair. But honestly, they're really cool and they look fabulous going up. As you can see, my snowflakes have dropped down.
Yeah.
When I sleep, I have a habit of sleeping with my feet up here. Not all the time, but I kept catching them and sending them flying, so that's why there's only 4 up there at the moment, because I've got to dig the other ones out.
Yeah.
But yeah, So yeah, all good. So happy Valentine's Day, guys. I'm not sure what side or when this is coming out, but
Not the way, yeah.
you know, I've got my Valentine's ears in. I've got my little beanie boppers, so we're all set.
Yeah.
Right, so let me know what you guys think. And as always, my lovelies, be different. A very merry unhoo-hoo. And coming in for a boop.